Aput.
Kama chelo bene nyakwaro mogejwang Aput mane ochuogi mondo jiw lokruok mopogore opogore sectors mar obila kod mano bende mag obila mag jela marango dwaro margi mabiro konyo bero sector no. Aput no bende motelo kod David Maraga oyango ni obila mag jela omulo weche osara gi udi kachiel mantiere rang'iny ama piny kachiel koda ka mwandu magitiyo godo kaka mago ma osethiro tijegi mar rieyo joma oyudo ketho kendo terogi e ute twech.
We are receiving their presentations in camera because part of their presentations touch on matters of national security, and that's why we are asking the media to be out. But from next week, when we go to the countryside, the other week we will be in Nairobi. We will have public hearings, and in those public hearings, the media will be allowed in. The issues that they have brought forward to the task force include the equipment, the tools that they are using, and we have seen that the country needs to invest in what they are doing. They are rendering a very important service. A correctional institution, they need to have the necessary tools.
Incidentally, despite what you are imagining, we are providing very high-quality health services to the inmates.
Yes.
During the COVID outbreak, we never lost a single prisoner or inmate due to COVID. But we loved serving officers, you can imagine. In as far as food quality is concerned, the food in the prison is very good. In fact, when I want to eat good githeri, I visit